Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can upload on Instagram without losing the quality of our video or photo. So for that, open up your account, then go on top right corner, you will see three lines. Just click on it and then click on settings, and in settings click on account, and here you will see this option of cellular data use. Just click on it, and here all you have to do is just select high resolution media by turning your data saver, and you can select it for never, Wi-Fi only, or cellular plus Wi-Fi. So if your phone is connected to Wi-Fi, only then you will be able to upload high quality posts or videos on your Instagram. But you can choose it accordingly, and that's how you upload better quality pictures or videos on your Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.